What's good, guys? It's a boy of L.Nontsiko. Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today is the day. I'm here. I don't know. They call it Shanga Watwa. It's trending down in all social media platforms. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here. I'm just pulling up as a creator to have some fun, to watch some celebrities. I don't know if I'll find them, but without any further ado, let's go. Let's get it first. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and get this video to 50 likes. Give it 50 likes, cause you might see your favorite ones. I don't know. So let's go. Let's get it. Hey yo, what up, guys? It's your boy. I know that's a show. I just landed in Giant Stadium. Today it's a big day. It's a big day. I'm here with me. Ow, and I'm here with Jonas and paid body bags. Yeah. So holy nachomo. Okay, Zara. Oh. We're out here, guys. We just arrived. Evan. Emino. Evan. Rodman. Pizza. Oh, big zil shit like this. Bad lady. Bad lady. Hold on. 6'9". Let's water for content, bitch. Yeah? Let's see. This man is yeah? Because Bagasi very generation. It's a braca. Yo, as for feeling show. Let's go and view. No one of you paid him before get out. Now one about I play the bugs. I play the bugs. FIFA. World Cup for fun. World Cup. Yeah, but fun. Umele kuzofike umasipala ngama-municipality CFF baza bazomlanda mahala kulani sohamba khona mahala lapho nisibhedlela ukudla ayikho indaba yakho nolala. I'm on. I'm
I'm gonna go to a video, man. Oh. Thank you.
If you are still watching, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like the click the notification bell. I try. Para buburisi. Ocho. Yake ngone fe. Eish. 1 million.
Nana la baka 15%. What do you calculate? Only 15%.
Oh man, 1 meter. 1 mil. I beg guys, that was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm not excited because I just came. I pulled up late. I didn't see Big Sube and Casper in the best and Scott McCool and Cowboy bench. You know what I'm saying? I came late, but my bad. So this is the end of the video. I didn't see any influencer. Nah, this was so boring, bro. But I beg. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and get this video to 50 likes.